Hello and welcome to this video on creating checklists. In this video, we'll create a checklist template that we can reuse over and over again. To start, navigate to a list, for example the item list. You can manage checklist templates and checklists from the Enhanced Information fact box. Let's create a template. This is a checklist that can be reused against any record in this table. From here, press New and give it a type. Add a description to the checklist, which will be shown in the fact box. Next, relate this to a table. Once we have done that, we can add lines here. These are the actions that users will be able to check off. For our QA example, we'll add a few related lines. You can also link a line to a contact so that when a contact is created, a task will be created for that user and they'll see it on their role center. If we now go back, we can see that we have one more template. Clicking it will create a checklist from it. The checklist page will open by default. We can close this for now. If we go to the checklists in the fact box, you can see that this has also gone up. From here, we can mark these lines as and when we have completed them. As we have created this checklist from a template, we can go to another record in this table and use it again. Now, back on the role center, there is a My Checklist Tasks tile. Here, users are notified that tasks have been assigned to them. I can press this and edit the list to check them off.